Hello friends, today is a very interesting day. The name of the day is Be Bald and Be Free. Yes, you heard it right. Be bald and be free. See, I'm a hair transplant surgeon and I have been practicing for almost 20 years. I'm your friend Dr. Shaili Gupta, and after dealing with so many patients who come to me for hair loss or other treatments or maybe for hair transplantation, after dealing with them, after seeing them, and after trying to understand and I try to understand their psychology, and I try to understand where does the need come from, where does the need of transplantation come from. So what happens over a period of time when you are facing this issue, hair loss issue, and you start blaming it for everything. All the problems in your life, all the failures in your life are because of hair loss. That's what people start thinking. And see, they are not able to concentrate on their studies, they are not able to concentrate on their business or their job, or they are having a hard time in relationship. All these problems they start blaming to hair loss, and hair loss becomes an easy scapegoat. So the concept of this is be bald and be free, because a lot of people get so much emotionally engaged into all this that they are unable, actually they just spend their entire day, sometimes entire week, entire month, so many years of their life researching about hair loss and its solutions, and it becomes really a big burden on them, and their energy gets stuck there. So there are two ways of moving out of this stuck energy, and both the ways lead to one single door, and that is self-love. So either you can get your problem fixed, get a transplant done, and move your energy from this negative place and then move on in life. Or there is an easy way out: shave off the head, be bald and be free. So there is in fact a very beautiful movie which was made on this topic, Bala. Amazing movie, I'm a big fan of it, and I saw that movie and it was amazing, out of the world. And you know what, in the end, the character, the hero of the movie realizes that he is lovable with or without hair. And it was a journey. See, life is also a journey. So this was also a journey. This is also a journey. And I always tell this to my patients, that when you are trying to solve the problem, the issue of your hair, trying this, solving these issues, you will solve the puzzle of your life. And that is what exactly we try to do here. So if you haven't watched, I have made a very beautiful review on this topic that is there on my channel. And see, I would urge you to spend some time on yourself also, and stop thinking about hair. And if you are watching me on hair channel, then you will also unsubscribe my channel. There is another channel which I have that's by my name, Dr. Shaili Gupta, and on that channel I put a lot of things which will help you in self-development, which will help you, guide you, sail you through this journey of self-love. And that is the real motto of this work. That is the real motto of our life, and that is what we are here for. So on this beautiful day of self-realization, self-love, and an amazing name they have given to this, very beautiful, be bald and be free. So it is my urge to all of you that I know that you guys spend a lot of time on hair research. Stop doing it. Start spending some time on yourself. And with or without hair, you are beautiful, you are lovable. And if you are lovable without hair, you'll be more lovable with hair or without hair. It does not matter at all. All that matters is what you feel about yourself. And at times, you know what, people try to make you feel bad, about yourself. And this is not the way. You know, you are good, you are lovely, you are beautiful. Just start feeling it, you know, and don't be a slave to the feedings, social feedings which have been done to you since birth. Okay, so work on your subconscious. There are some very beautiful meditations which I have made, which are there on my channel. Go through the channel, Dr. Shail Gupta. This is the YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I keep on posting such beautiful and useful stuff over there. And again, thank you. Love yourself. Stay blessed.